Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different and super exciting because I'm unboxing a special order I made from Temu. Honestly, when the package arrived, I totally forgot what I ordered, but that's what makes this even more fun. This time, I decided to try out some skincare products I've never used before. I wanted to explore something new and see for myself, are these products legit or just hype? Are they original or knockoffs? Let's find out together. One item caught my attention just because of how gorgeous the packaging is. I couldn't resist trying it. And guess what? Some of the things I got were literally $0 thanks to promos and special offers. That's why I wanted to share the full experience with you all. If you're curious like me and love discovering new stuff, stay with me till the end. You'll find the app link and my promo codes in the first comment and down in the description. Use them to get discounts or even free gifts. Alright, let's open this package together and see what Temu has in store for us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which product you liked most. Let's get into it. I know many of you don't really know how to use the Temu app or how to get discounts and free gifts, so here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, check the description box or the pinned comment. I've left all the important links and promo codes right there for you. Link 1 this one gives you a chance to win 5 free gifts just by signing up or inviting friends. Link 2, use promo code more gift options and bonus rewards. Link 3, use this code for an extra 30% off on your first order. There's even a special link where you can claim €100 worth of coupons directly. Once you download the app, just paste the promo code where it says enter code and enjoy your reward. Oh my god, I'm beyond excited for today's video. I seriously can't wait to show you what I got. Alright, let's check out this product. So this is like a rice-based primer, I think. It's supposed to create a barrier that protects your skin from dust and harmful stuff. You can totally use it for that. At first, I ordered it because I thought it was a moisturizer or sunscreen. I'll open the box with you later, try it out, and give you my honest opinion from the outside. It looks amazing. The packaging kinda reminds me of the Beauty UV Johnson sunscreen. That's why I got it. Here's the price, right in front of you. But I'll test it out later to see how effective it really is, and if I recommend buying it or not. Let's see what the next product is. It's the Centella sunscreen, of course. I got really excited and bought it because I read a bunch of user reviews. I was just super curious to see if it's original or not. Honestly, from the outside, it does look authentic. But no, it's not. We'll find out later, once I open it. If it's any good, if it's even worth using or buying. Here's the price right in front of you. Let's go and check this one out. I got excited and bought this one too. Let's see. This one is also a Centella serum. I think it's for pores and wrinkles. I'll open it later and try it out. I'm really curious to see its texture and smell. I don't even know what made me want to try new products from a different app. Maybe it's the excitement. I'm actually planning to create a chart to track Chinese products from different websites, just to see if they're original or fake. I also want to compare the differences and find out if these products are really worth your money. Here's the price right here for you. I'm saving this one for last. It's a surprise for both me and you. This is the box I've been waiting for. I really like the outer packaging. It looked amazing, but no, they didn't send it in its original box. Move. I love the original packaging. It was so nice, but they just sent it in this plain cardboard box. I honestly didn't like that. Alright, let's see. The product is called Sador. I think it's a Chinese brand. It feels kinda heavy, so I really hope the inner bottles are glass, not plastic. Back when I first liked it, the price was super high, minus $30. And honestly, it didn't make sense to spend that much on a product I'd never tried before. But I got a discount, and I'll leave the discount code for you guys. Maybe you'll like it too. The box contains 6 products, a cleanser, a toner, a lotion, a cream, a serum, and an eye moisturizer for dark circles. Of course, there's a part to coming. I'll show you everything inside the box and what the textures look like. I'm super excited. I'm definitely filming it today because I really want to try them out. But since I'm not fully confident about how strong or effective they are, I'll test everything on a small area on my cheek first. I'm worried my skin might react. But honestly, I'm really upset that it didn't come with the original outer packaging. Anyway, whatever, it's fine for now. Look, this is the actual original box for these products, not this plain cardboard one. I'm going to message the seller about it. Ooh yes, I finally got to this one. I'm so excited. This is the dollar bag. I really like it. I saw it in pictures before and was a bit worried it might not look the same in real life, but it turns out it's just as good as I hoped. Oh wow, I really love it. I'm not going to unwrap it now. I'll make another detailed video about it later so you can see everything. For now, I don't want this video to be too long. I actually got this for $0. Well, its real price was $52, but right now it's on sale. If you use my special code, you'll get it for an even lower price. It's perfect for summer and party season. You can grab one and show it off to your friends. That's all for today's video. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and feel free to ask me anything you want. There will be another video soon where I'll open all these boxes and show you what's inside. I really want to try these Chinese products to see how effective they are. I'm super excited about it. I've left the app download link for you below the video and also in the first comment. And don't forget to use this discount code. It will help you get some really nice stuff you'll love. Plus, there's another code that gives you a free gift when you enter it. Complete the steps and share it with your friends so everyone can get free gifts. Did you like anything from what you saw? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Oh, and make sure to follow me and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss part 2 of the Chinese product testing series from the Temu app.